1,600 meters is the distance. Gates open, they're up and racing. Maypan, Cornati Islands, Diamondane by the rail. Take Me Tonight comes next, then sneaking in Gigi Star, Classic Quality, Misteriosa, King Manjaw is by the rail. Second last, Little Miss Hot Shot, while Spread My Wings is the early trailer as they rounded a 3/4 mile pole. Diamondane leading the field by about a length and a half. Maypan in second, then racing in third, Take Me Tonight. Then down in fourth, Cornati Islands, Gigi Star racing in fifth. Down in sixth, King Manjaw. Alongside seventh, Classic Quality. Down in eighth, Misteriosa. Running in ninth, Spread My Wings. And trailing the group is Little Miss Hot Shot. Past the half-mile pole, Diamondane still in command by about 2 lengths. Gigi Star moving up to take second. Take Me Tonight is already outside. Maypan shuffle back in fourth by the release, Cornati Islands. As the action turns towards the 450, it's still Diamondane, Gigi Star. Take Me Tonight is already outside. Maypan by the rail, Cornati Islands as they swing for home. Gigi Star running by the rail, Diamondane. Take Me Tonight is already outside. Misteriosa running in between runners. And down the stretch they come, Diamondane. Gigi Star is already outside. Take Me Tonight and Misteriosa. It's Gigi Star, Take Me Tonight, leveling up Misteriosa. And finally close between Misteriosa, Gigi Star, Take Me Tonight. Then comes Diamondane and Cornati.